Hey everybody, I'm Jen Kramer, Director of Learning Design and Technology at Annie Cannon. We are going to be building a portfolio site using only HTML and CSS. And this course is designed mostly for people who have less experience with HTML and CSS that need to beef up those particular skills and come up to date with what's going on, what are the latest things that we're doing in the HTML and CSS space. I'm going to walk you through the whole entire website. We're going to break it down into small pieces. We're going to work on small pieces one at a time, all the way through as a series of code pens, which is an environment where you can write HTML and CSS right there inside of your web browser, nothing to set up. And then we will reassemble those in VS Code, which is your code editor where you can create whole web pages. And we'll create both a home page and an inside page. The actual assets that we'll be using to put this together are my courses here at Front End Masters. So I'm building a website that's all about me and the work that I've done here at Front End Masters. But if you would like to substitute your own work, I strongly encourage that. So be prepared to think about what kind of work you might want to include in a site like this, some screenshots, maybe a little bit of text, and swap in your own stuff, and you'll have a website that will be absolutely perfect to you. Or you can follow along with the stuff that I've given you and just concentrate on learning HTML and CSS. Either way, this is going to work out great.
Chat online says, I'm excited to learn CSS today.
Yay, we're excited to learn CSS. It's totally awesome. And this website is going to walk you through everything that you're going to need for this particular course. We have a listing of all of the chapters that are here on the side that we will be working through one at a time. And you can read a little bit more about the course over here on the left-hand side. Let me show you the site we're going to build before we get started. Right here from the home page, there's a button that says View the website that we'll create. We have a space-themed website because, you know, who doesn't love space? So here is the website. You'll see that we have sort of an opening area where you can identify yourself and talk about what you do. We're going to go on to a featured project. Maybe you have a great big huge screenshot here. We talk about the kinds of technologies that you use to build that, along with a description of that particular item. Then we are going to have some projects that we're proud of. Maybe you have like 3 projects that you're really proud of. And you'll notice that we have these cool little overlays here that to give us the title of that project and again, some of the technologies used for it and some smaller screenshots down here on the bottom. Scroll down a little further. We've got a contact area. And then all the way down here on the bottom, we have a footer here with information about how to contact you. Just to show you real quick what this is going to look like at different breakpoints, because of course we have to make this work on different types of devices. So we do have this set up to go to a tablet kind of layout where things are more stacked on top of each other. Very nice. All right. And then, of course, we're going to go to mobile. And at mobile, we'll be really, really small. Notice we have a lovely hamburger button here with a full working hamburger menu. And guess what? It's all CSS. No JavaScript in this site at all. So I will show you how to make this cool thing happen. And again, everything is all stacked on top of each other all the way down to the bottom. There is also an inside page, which we'll build right at the end of the course. If you click on the link here in the navigation that says Magenta Lime, this will take you to the Magenta Lime page. This happens to be the project that we built as part of the Practical CSS Layouts course, which is a more advanced CSS Layouts course. Here we are with a video to start us off, and then we have some additional images from that website here underneath. And of course, that's also mobile compatible.